Hi everyone, today we're going to go through how to create a new contact in the Xero mobile phone app. So once you've logged in, it'll automatically take you to the dashboard, and we want to click on the top right hand corner, which is the blue plus symbol. That's our create new shortcut, and then click on add contact, which is second from the bottom. So then we want to put in our contact name, which can be a business entity or a personal name. And then we want to put in an account number if you wish. Put in your primary person's contact details. And then you can even put in a phone number, or you can even put in an address there as well. You can start searching. So once you've done that, you just want to click save. That will save your contact, and on the bottom of the screen, along where it says dashboard, sales, purchases, contacts, if you click in there, you can now search for them. They'll come up, and you can start creating quotes and invoices under their name. But that's it. That's how to create a contact in the Xero mobile phone app. Thanks for watching.